Can't verify your phone number on Redbubble and ready to pull your hair out? Don't worry, I've got you covered. First, double-check you're entering your phone number correctly. Make absolutely sure you've selected the right country code from the drop-down menu before you type in the rest of your number. Even a small mistake here can cause problems. Next, ensure your phone number isn't already linked to another Redbubble account. Redbubble only allows one phone number per account. If you suspect this might be the case, try to remember any other accounts you may have created in the past. If you're still stuck, try requesting the verification code again. Sometimes the message gets delayed. Wait a few minutes after hitting the Resend button before trying again. Still no luck? Contact Redbubble support directly. They can help you resolve the issue. Go to the Help Center on their website and submit a request describing your phone number verification problem. Be sure to provide as much detail as possible in your support ticket, including your username, email address, and the phone number you're trying to verify. And that's it. Hopefully, this helps you get past the phone verification hurdle.